What you got on your head? What you got on your, I'm in your head. Yeah, what okay, oh my god! Just a little bit, yeah. We might be releasing that bitch very soon, but this is the first vlog of the year, so yeah, man, that's the shit that got me too. We all just died right there. Hurry up, man. You slow. Hey, I'll fuck with your vibe. You cool as hell. Cool channel right now, man. You feel me? Right fucking now, as you watch the fucking video.
It's good.
You famous. Name 10 books.
Alright, bro. Have fun?
No.
No? Okay.
Oh man, she got the motherfucking...
I got the cookie jar.
Oh yeah, she got the cookie.
Catching hella Pokemon.
Bro, let's go get Mewtwo, bro. I say we get Mewtwo.
That's my favorite Pokemon.
Swear to God.
Yeah.
Hey. So right now, what we doing? We get... Alright, say less. Where the water at?
To the left.
To the left, to the left. Everything you own in a box to the left. I don't know the rest of the lyrics. You gotta take the shit. I don't know it. Let go. Subscribe.
Oh, you're
Yes,
cool.
sir. Hey, you're dope, bro.
What's up, guys?
Wait, hold on.
Wait. What's good, YouTube? What's up, guys? Today we're gonna teach. I usually like show, cause like why not like have the experience of both.
Right now we're smoking a blunt, you know, for the one time. But
honestly, I just stuff joints. I'm not really rolling. It's easier just stuffing it. Can anybody agree with me? Like, it's easier stuffing it.
All right. Let us know in the comments if you stuff your shit or if you roll your own joints or like, you know, blunts, etiquette type shit.
Guys.
All right.
For me,
I definitely feel you on
like that's it, and then you just close it. That's it. I could do tutorials. Sorry. I literally had to like make something work. I had to moments all the time. But like it's so random. Yeah.
I'm like superstitious to like an extent.
I feel like I am.
Like what age? For real? Cause my sister claims she like.
I guess I really am a fucking demon.
Demon, y'all.
No, I actually saw shit when I was younger. The lighting was better.
Fuck.
You need. Oh damn.
Anybody come over here?
It's like 20 minutes. About 20 minutes.
Hey, tell them subscribe though. Tell them subscribe.
Subscribe to you. Fuck yeah.
All right, man. Say less. Yeah, dope.
You fat as hell. I'm jealous.
Nice to meet you, bro. Nice to meet you, bro. Jordan. Tyler. Nice to meet you. Like or anything?
Okay.
Damn.
You want to just get? Can we get?
Hello. Assistants in the front.
Go.
Excuse me when you and fan and supporter, bro. I really appreciate y'all, and I got so much new content and new music coming for y'all. Like, bro, I really appreciate y'all for sticking around and being with me on this journey, man. 333 for life, 333 team, man. Y'all fucking know what's going. Y'all know like, waiting outside. Bro, I'm honestly so confused. So this train should be taking off soon. Planning to be a big part of this, you know, till I do drop the official album. Trying to get my head right. Life has been, you know, having a crazy time and a crazy year on you. People change on you. Nah, man, you just gotta keep it. Anything is possible. I want to be the example. That sounds childish, but it's true. It's because I never stop being grateful. Gratitude is key. What is this? What is this one called again? You got the new update?
You know, you just have to be a little patient with it.
Of course. Fucking, I can't crack my neck now, bro. Like my left side is like up. He's about to cook up. I'm about to cook my own up. You know my. Oh, you can't do it where it's like.
I think we're just talking about different sound effects. Huh?
Rap, bro. Just fucking. For today, did a little. We was a little rusty, but you know, gonna make a comeback. Gonna do it just right, real. You know, iron sharpens iron. Random is it? Is it? It's like. It's not even that lit. 211. Could have been. Could have been more like.
I'm like ready to shut down, as you can see.
You like.
What's up, bro? How are you? How are you? What's up? How are you? Oh, I'm 6.
We on the way to the air. We're gonna be in the sky, boy. For real. Alright, hello? Alright, let's do it again. Play it from the top. Punch me.
Don't say you wasn't. Come here. Basketball. I know, but I'm just saying, like.
I was scoring though, nigga. I was talking my shit and fucking scoring, nigga.
He was scoring.
You gonna lie? Like that niggas only lost by one.
By one, you feel me?
It's always 3.
That's James Blarden. Jeremy Lin. Ooh. Bricko shot. Yo. Oh, hit the. Yeah. Oh, what you got on that? Oh.
His ass wanna twerk and shit, nigga.
Folks ask him where the clown at. He said the nigga on porn.
You know the little clown nigga.
Hey! I currently feel like Batman in this motherfucker. You feel really packed though, like for real. So much fucking traffic, bro. Alright, well I see y'all. Peace out, man. Y'all about to catch me.